Seven systems that make money while you sleep. Most people work for money. They trade time for income. So the moment they stop working, the income stops too. But wealthy people think differently. Instead of only working for money, they build systems that continuously produce money even when they are sleeping, when they are traveling, when they are relaxing, or when they are focused on something else. That is the real goal. Not just making money, but building systems that keep creating value without needing your constant attention every single day. Because if your income completely disappears the moment you stop working, then you have not created a system of wealth. You simply just have an income source. And the truth is, financial freedom is built through systems, not effort alone. Hello and welcome. This is Dr. Bube, and here we'll talk about personal finance and well being. So, today we are going to be sharing seven powerful systems that can generate income while you sleep and how it actually works in real life, how to activate them. So without wasting time, let's dive in. Number one is the ownership system. This is the oldest and the most powerful wealth building system in the world. The idea is simple: own things that people continuously pay to use. Examples include apartments, short-term rentals, cars, equipment, land, warehouses, office spaces, and the rest. Here is why this system is very powerful. You make the investment once, but the system keeps producing money repeatedly year after year. For example, you buy an apartment building. Tenants pay the rent yearly or monthly as the case may be. You buy a car, it's rented out weekly. You buy equipment, whether they are machines or others, and people and businesses rent them out on a weekly or daily basis. This keeps bringing you money with little or no maintenance. The difference is this: employees earn from labor, but owners earn from assets. Over time, ownership creates cash flow, and this cash flow can now be reinvested into even more assets, which creates more income. And this is how wealth is built and compounds. The goal is not just to buy things, the goal is to buy things that pay you back consistently, because ownership creates leverage, and leverage creates financial freedom. Number two, digital product system. This is one of the best modern ways to make money while you sleep, because digital products can be sold repeatedly without having to create them over again. More like you work once and you sell forever. Examples include online courses, mobile apps, AI tools, ebooks, templates, paid communities, and the rest. Here is what makes this system powerful. You create the product once, it sells 1,000 times. For example, you create an online course, people keep buying it every day. Or you build a mobile app, users subscribe monthly. Or you create an online template, people download it automatically each time they buy. No warehouses, no inventory, no physical deliveries. No need to be present every time a customer buys. This means business becomes scalable, and scalability is where serious income growth begins. The beautiful thing about digital products is that they work 24/7, even while you're sleeping. Someone can discover your product at 2 a.m. and goes ahead to buy it. That's the power of the internet. The system keeps running even when you are offline. And over time, a good digital product can become a long-term income machine. Number three, content system. Content is one of the most underrated assets today, but a good content keeps working long after you post it, and this can keep bringing you money depending on how valuable people find it. A single YouTube video, a viral TikTok clip, a blog article, a podcast episode, or an Instagram post. Any of these can become a valuable asset. And think of when you have lots of them in a channel. They can continue bringing people to you for months and even years. Think about it. YouTube videos made years ago are still earning views till today. Articles written decades ago still appear on Google. That means a content becomes a long-term traffic source, a source of eyeballs towards your business, and traffic creates opportunities. A content can help you build trust, generate leads, attract customers, sell products, grow your audience, and increase your authority. The more valuable content you create, the more discoverable you will become online. And eventually, your content starts working like employees. While you sleep, your videos are being watched, your posts are being shared, and your content is introducing people to your business. That is why content creators who stay consistent eventually build massive leverage because every post becomes a digital asset that is also working for them. Number four, the audience system. In this world today, attention is the most valuable asset. Every company wants attention. That is why businesses spend billions on advertising. But when you own the audience, you own the traffic, and traffic creates income. Examples of audience assets include email lists, social media pages, online communities, WhatsApp groups, referral networks, and subscriber bases. The reason why this system is powerful is because audience creates opportunities repeatedly. For example, if you have a loyal audience, you can promote products, you can launch businesses, you can drive sales instantly, you can partner with brands, and you can generate leads anytime. Businesses struggle when they constantly need to find customers. But when you already have attention, customers come to you and you can channel them whichever way you want. That changes everything. A strong audience becomes an asset that keeps producing opportunities over and again. And the larger the trust, the more valuable the audience becomes because now attention is currency. Number five, the automation system. Now, this is where technology starts replacing repetitive work. Automation. Most people spend time doing the same task over and over again, but successful businesses automate as much as possible. Examples include automated payments, email sequences, chatbots, scheduled content, auto booking systems, customer onboarding systems, and automated marketing channels. Here is why automation matters. It allows income and operations to continue without your constant input. For example, a customer visits your website at night, your chatbot responds instantly, they purchase automatically, a payment is processed, and a confirmation email is sent, all while you're sleeping. That is automation. Instead of constantly trading time for every single result, you build systems that handle tasks automatically. Automation saves time, reduces stress, improves efficiency, increases productivity, and helps businesses scale faster. And when systems become more efficient, profits usually increase too because efficiency creates leverage. And number six, the investment system. Now, this is based on one powerful idea. Money should always have a job. So instead of spending all your income, wealthy people put money into assets that can grow over time. Examples include stocks, index funds, mutual funds, real estate, businesses, and even bonds. Here is how this creates money while you sleep. Your investment continues growing even when you are no longer actively working. Stocks can appreciate, businesses can grow and begin to earn serious profits. Properties can appreciate in value, and dividends can generate recurring income. Over time, compound growth becomes powerful. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money will have to multiply. And eventually, your investment can begin generating enough income to support your lifestyle. That is financial leverage, using money to create more money. And honestly, It's the biggest difference between consumers and producers, wealthy people and poor people. Consumers spend money, investors deploy money. That is a huge difference. Number seven, the team leverage system. At some point, you cannot scale alone anymore. You will need a team. No matter how talented you are, there are only 24 hours in a day. That is why big businesses rely on teams and systems instead of one person doing everything. A strong team will allow you to save time, increase productivity, grow faster, focus on higher level decisions, and expand your business capacity. For example, while one person handles customer service, another handles operations, another handles marketing, another handles sales. The business keeps moving even when the owner is not directly involved in every task. That is leverage. That is teamwork. Instead of relying on your personal effort, you multiply your output through people. And when combined with systems and automation, a team allows a business to grow far beyond what one person could ever do alone. The biggest companies in the world are built on this principle. Systems plus people equals scale. You see, at the end of the day, financial freedom is not built on working non-stop forever. It's built by creating systems that continue working and producing value even when you are not actively working every minute. The more systems you build, the less your entire life depends on daily labor for survival, and that changes everything. So focus on building systems, ownership, digital products, content, audience, automation, investment, and finally team leverage. You do not need to build everything at once. You can start with one system, master it, and slowly expand over time. Because small systems built consistently and managed accurately can create massive freedom. The earlier you start building them, the more powerful you become in the future. If you love this video, please like the video, share it, and do subscribe to the channel for more videos like this on personal finance and well-being. See you in this next video.